Hi, this is Steven from Vling Cloud. From today, I will give you an introduction of the Vling Cloud and a tutorial of how to use this cloud. Okay, the first thing is today we will build a network, a simple private network. And from this network, as you can see, this is a topology that I will build today. From this topology, you can see there is a public network, which means the internet, and there is a router, and within this router, there is a network. And within this network, there is a one subnet. And this is the subnet name, and this is a subnet. And within this subnet, there is a one Linux server running. Everything will be done in our web control panel. So people can have access to our cloud either through web control panel or the command line. And for this tutorial, I will just use web control panel. Okay, let's go to our control panel. You can have access to the control panel from our website, vlingebusiness.com, and click the control panel, and or just use another, just type the vling.io, and it shows the control panel's entrance. You can get your username and password by signing up, and after you sign up, you can log in from here. Okay, this is a control panel. You can see from the tag here, we have a lot of functions here. You can, for instance, volume, snapshot images, floating IP security group, key pairs, etc. And here, you can see from here, network topology. See, this is a blank topology here. There is only public network. The first thing we want to do is we want to build a network. First, we create a network and give the network a name. We call it network 1 and give it and get a subnet. And you can, for this private network, we can choose class A, class B, or class C. Here I will use class C. You can choose any range that you want. Okay, the network has been created. Let's go back to the topology. You can see the network has been created. And the second step is to create a router. We went to the router tag and click the create router. We give it the name router 1, and from here we need to enable the public gateway so it connects to the outside. See, this is this router we just created, and once we click remember that we have enabled the public gateway, and here it shows a cable from your router to the outside. But since there is no floating IP or public IP here, this router cannot have internet access right now. Now we connect this router to the network to get a cable from this router to this network, and we associate the network here. We can use this button here, like this. Connect to this subnet. Click OK, and it's connected. Also, we can we can connect the subnet to the router from here. Click the network, and from here we choose subnet. We can connect the router from here. Since it has already been connected, so we disconnect the router. Go back to network topology. It's empty right now. We go back to the network, subnet, connect to the router. Now we choose the router 1. See, it has been connected. And the third step is to create an instance. We go to the instance tag and choose create an instance. Give the instance a name, the first server. And you can choose all different distributions of a Linux here, or either Windows, different types of Windows. You choose CentOS 7 as an example here. Now it's time to choose your flavor, and the flavor is different combinations of specification, like CPU and memory stuff. You can choose from here. You can see all different combinations of CPU and memories, and you can choose from here. For example, we choose 2 core and 4 gig. 4 gig. You can choose at this time. You can choose the minimum of the configurations that you can use to save your cost. And later on, if you need more powerful computer or servers, you can change the configurations later. Network, we choose private network. This is a subnet we just created. And to credentials for Linux, you can use key pair or either password. And see the number here. You can create multiple servers at the same time. Here we just choose 1. Here it is. Now it has been created. Let's go to the topology. Well, this router, since there is no floating IP on the router, this server cannot have internet access right now. So let's assign an IP to the router. We can assign the IP from here, associated IP, or either from here, floating IP. We can allocate an IP, give it a name IP1, and choose the bandwidth. You can choose from 1 megabits to over 1 gig. From here, we choose 10. The carrier, and we'll apply. After creating this IP, we associated this IP to the router, router 1. Now we go to the network topology. See this tag here? It shows it has an IP address here. Okay, let's log into the server to test if it has internet access. There are 2 ways to log into the server, and we use this one. The VNC is the function integrated into our system. Let's log in. There you go. Okay, this is our first video of how to build a simple private network. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us on our website, vlingebusiness.com. Please, thank you.